Hey there, this is Don with the DIY Collaborative. It's summer in North Texas. Things are heating up quick. Welcome to our pool. We like to spend a lot of time out here, a lot of times early in the morning when it's cool and nice and calm and refreshing. But then even in the evenings. And one of the things over the years that we've had trouble with, we actually installed a handrail when we built this pool. We have some, I'm going to say, elderly, distinguished guests that come over, and even kids, occasionally need a handrail to get in and out. It just kind of helps you get in and out here where our steps are. But this rail would get so hot that you couldn't even touch it. It was just unbelievable, and it would like burn your hands. So you couldn't even really use the rail to get out. You were afraid to touch it. So we were looking around. We toyed around with for a few years. I think the photographer here even tried, what were those, drawer liners one year, and we covered it with those and kind of laced them on here, and that worked, and it really helped, but they were loose and sliding around. So I got to looking on Amazon and was searching for handrail covers for pools, and I found these. And what you do is you just put this on here, and this particular one actually has a zipper. They had them that had Velcro, and they had them that have zippers like this one. And you just put it around your handrail and then just zip it in place. And it's got like a zipper here, and you just zip it in place. It's real easy to install, and it's amazing how much difference it makes in the feel of this handrail. But you just zip it in place like that, and in our case, we turned the zipper down so it's on the bottom of that, and they come in different lengths. I think this particular one was 4 foot, 6 foot, and 8 feet. So I got the 6 foot one because I wasn't really sure what we wanted. But it's just amazing, and it kind of has a grippy surface to it on the inside of it, so it doesn't really slide that much. And it's just amazing how much it really helps you with hanging on to the handrail, and it makes it cool to where it doesn't burn your hands. So just a quick tip. I don't know how quick it was, but it was just something that we felt like needed to be shared with everybody. And it just makes it a lot easier to hang on to this handrail and a lot more comfortable because it's not so hot you can't touch it.